Welcome back to Mama Joan house. You know when we say where it's hot, and when I mean it hot like a Scotch bonnet pepper. Today guys, I have a epic prank for pull pan Cyan. I went to the store and I get these lashes, so I'm gonna put them on while I'm doing dinner, and then I'm gonna call her down and I'm gonna tell her that I went to the store and get some semi-extensive lashes put in, and it's very expensive. Guys, me pulling this prank on her just to see her reaction, guys, because I know this one is going to be an epic one, my friend. So guys, before we get any further, I want you guys to like, subscribe, and hit my post notification and belly things up mine so you don't miss a post when I post. So guys, see the lashes them here. Me I go put them on to see her reaction when she come down for her dinner. Okay guys? Guys, these little suckers, them hard for put on, me I tell you. Them hard for put on, me I tell them drop off of me about 2 times. So we have to just itch them, you know. So guys, see them here? Them look very, very butterfly-ish, okay? So guys, we are gonna go in at the kitchen now, go finish up the dinner. Alright, so maybe soon when we reach inside there. For dinner today guys, for this like a prank we never run past Cyan. For dinner today I'm making some salad, some chicken salad, like a Mediterranean salad with some chicken on it. So that's what I'm doing for dinner today. Okay, so that's how I'm gonna get her to come downstairs when it's time for her to eat.
It's about to go down.
Cyan! Come for your dinner!
Upstairs.
Okay.
Meat salad.
Yep. So just have a nice little simple dinner today.
This one's for me?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Oh!
Oh.
Girl, what you doing? You gotta be careful.
No, what's on your eye?
Oh, I went to get eye extension. I get my eyelash extension today. You like it? Why are you looking at me like that?
Grandma, you have to tell me before you do these types of things.
Listen, I went on Instagram and there was this girl called Extreme Lash, Jenny Extreme Lashes.
Oh!
I went to her today and she did my lashes for me.
That's
And it's beautiful.
That's too much.
No, it's not too much.
I wear long lashes and I wouldn't even wear those.
Why? This look nice. This look how gorgeous they look.
Like
Why would you say that?
Those are too long.
Listen, I paid $450 for her to do this.
$450 you paid for that?
Yes.
No, you need to go back.
Why?
You need to go back and tell her that she needs to remove them. Because those don't look good.
This is beautiful lashes. I love how it bring out my face. Look at my eyes. I love the way it make my eyes look so sexy.
Oh,
You know?
but the idea, like if you got a natural lashes, then
This is, she told me, said this would, she showed me this one and she said this one would fit my face perfectly. And I said, you know, she's a professional and it would fit my face perfectly. So I'll take that one.
So you like
This
that?
is, of course, this is gorgeous. Look at my face. Look how beautiful your grandmother is. Look at it. You guys, you wear some butterfly one. I didn't. That's why I get these ones.
I don't wear those.
I get these ones. These ones.
5 inches. I don't wear those.
This one is. I love this one, Cyan. This is gorgeous.
I'm gonna get lash remover off Amazon for you.
For do
And
what?
I'm gonna take them off.
No, I don't want to take them
can't have you
off.
walking
There's
around.
nothing wrong with
You
them.
can't be dropping me to school every day, and then when anyone looks through the window,
Hey,
they see
you
that.
never know. One of the friends, one of the male teacher, they might just say, "Child, is that your grandmother? She looks so beautiful."
Not with those lashes.
Come on, give me
Not
a
with
break,
those lashes.
Cyan. These lashes are absolutely gorgeous. Or what?
As long- okay, as
They're gorgeous.
As long as
They're
you
beautiful, and they let me feel sexy.
Feel, as long as they make you feel sexy, that's fine. But from now on, I'll be taking the bus to school, or I'll be walking.
You rather walk to school than me take it to school with my lashes, Cyan?
No.
Look at my, oh my God. Cyan, come on. There's nothing wrong with my lash. My lash is beautiful. Don't be a hater now. Don't be a hater because I rock the lashes them better than you.
What did he say?
Right now you make me feel like I'm being a hater. Because me I rock the lashes nicely. Yeah. That's what me I say.
Please,
You know?
you could have gave me that money instead of going to go ruin your face like that with
My
those.
face is not ruined. How could you say a thing like that?
Next time you feel like going,
My face is
just
not
give me the
ruined.
money instead. Because that don't look good at all.
Well,
and
for me, $450
the lady
she
finessed
charged.
you because it shouldn't cost you $400.
When they said it's $1,000 to do this,
oh, and she gave you a discount.
and she give me a discount for $450.
Yeah, she was
And
finessing you.
she spent 3 hours doing this. This is extended lashes from inside. Whatever. Oh, she said
The
she
lash
did.
extension.
Yes,
Yeah,
it's
you
lash
need to get them taken
extension.
off right
Yeah.
now.
Why would I pay all that money and take off my stuff?
Okay, well, we can cut them.
I don't want them to cut. I love them like this. This is how I want them.
You have to be realistic.
There's nothing realistic about me having my hair done the way how I want it. There's nothing realistic about that.
Where are the scissors?
We are going with scissors.
I'm gonna be back. I'm gonna find them. Where are they?
I don't know what you're doing with scissors, saying you can't put no scissors for my eyelash. Eyelash is perfectly fine.
Ratchet times 1,000.
And I don't look no ratchet, nothing. I love it. It's beautiful. For me, it's beautiful. I'ma pay so much money.
Grandma, come on.
Oh! Don't play. Do not play. This is money. This is money I'm talking about.
Okay.
This
it
is
would
my
look
money.
better if I just take off a
Don't
few.
blood clot touch it. Do not touch
Let
it.
me just take off a few.
No,
a
don't
few
take off nothing.
millimeters.
It costs me a lot of money to do this. It costs me a lot of money to do this. Don't come play with my shit.
Does Granddad like them? Did you show him?
I
that?
don't see them yet. You do not see
Well,
it
he's
yet.
definitely not gonna
You
like
don't see it yet.
them. He's not gonna like them. You might lose your husband because you wanna get lash.
No,
Extendo lash.
him don't see them yet, but them look good. And if him see them and don't like them, me I go tell him off just like how me I tell you off. My thing is perfectly fine, nothing wrong with it. Your one look like butterfly with them
Not
just
like that.
This one just nice and just sit beautiful in.
Okay,
from
just
it.
let me.
Don't put no scissors on it. I don't want no scissors on it.
Just let me do. I'm gonna do this much for you to see if it looks.
No, I don't want you to put nothing on it. It's just fine the way it is. I like it the way
Trust
it
me,
is.
when you're sleeping, I'm gonna chop them off.
If you ever touch me something when me asleep, you get up. If you touch my eyelash, you're not gonna have no ear on your head.
Oh my God!
That's fine. I'll make sure that I glue down my wig. So
If
you
you-
can't touch it.
If you touch my eye, you not gonna have no ear. Cause there's nothing wrong with my eye. I like my eye how my eye is. My eye is perfectly fine and I love it. You understand me? It just make me look so young. It's so gorgeous. It's so beautiful. Look on my eye. Look on my eye. Look on my face. Look on my cheekbone. Look.
It's a no
Look
for
at
me,
my
honey.
look at my nose. It just make my nose
It's
smaller.
unfair,
The way the eyelash come out, it just bringing my puggy nose to a little bit more.
It's a no for me.
With my nose. What do you mean it's a no for you?
It's a no for me.
I am. Why you mean don't refill them? So nothing wrong if them refill.
At the end of the day, it's your face and you can do whatever you want. If that's what makes you feel beautiful, then that's what makes you feel beautiful. Personally, I don't like it. If that's what makes you feel beautiful, then that's fine. But I don't like it and I'll have to think about going anywhere with you. What?
believe you said that. I absolutely can't believe you don't like my eyelash. I can't believe
If
that.
I have pink hair and I'm like, oh, let me dye your hair pink, you're like, oh, I don't like pink.
Yeah,
I can't
but
believe you said you don't like pink.
But when you come with your pink hair, I love your pink hair.
So you
You're
want to get
working
pink
like
hair too?
No, I don't want to get pink hair.
Why? Why would you say that?
Because I just don't want pink
Why
hair,
would
but
you say
I
that
want
you wouldn't wanna get pink
eyelashes.
hair?
I want eyelashes, so I went and get these eyelashes, and I pay so much money for these eyelashes, but them can't just, I can, them look so good when I'm blinking them,
You need to
and
stop.
then you're telling me
You
not
need
that,
to
that
stop
them
like
don't
that.
look good. Boy, you can be a eater. It's a shame. I didn't expect you to be such a eater. Honestly, I'm telling you that.
It's fine. Everyone has their own opinions.
But it's all good still. It's all good science because you know what? It's my eye and I love it. And it cost me $4.50 and I'm going to wear it. And when it fall off, I'm going to get it refilled and wear it for another, probably keep it in for the rest of the year. So that's okay.
No, you're doing too much now.
And there's not me doing too much.
What am I gonna do when I need somebody to bring me some hair? You're not.
I'm going to bring you same way as I am. And nothing wrong with my eye.
You know what? Give me 1 second. I'm gonna be right back. Okay? Just put these on and keep them on. Just put these on.
You better me cut my eye. You
That's
want me cut my eyebrow?
Just keep those on.
You know, so this could have take out some of my brow.
Then she didn't do the lash good then. Yeah.
Yeah, but it touching my lashes. It have to be out here for it not to touch my lash.
Well, anywhere you go, this is like COVID mask required. Anywhere you go with me, I need you to put those on.
Oh. Well, you know what? You're on your own. So whatever wherever you're going, you're going to have to Uber it for the next 4 months. That's all I have to tell you.
Okay, fine.
So that's it.
That's fine.
You sure don't like it? You don't like it for sure? Anyway, saying it's not real. It's just a prank.
Yeah, it's not real.
It's just a prank.
How is it a prank?
You tell me now, where the hell do you get $450 for go do eyebrow? For go do eyelashes?
I don't know.
Eyelashes, I mean.
I don't know.
I bought this at the store. For
For
$10. Yes. I bought this at the store for $10. It gives me a friggin' hard time putting them on.
Wow.
But, isn't that beautiful? Isn't she lovely?
No.
Isn't her eyes them wonderful?
No, they're not. They're doing too much now. Take it off.
You know what? I'm not gonna take it off. I'm keeping it on for the rest of the day.
the rest of the day?
Sleeping night
It's your
tonight.
eye. It's
And
your
then
eye.
see how it look tomorrow. Oh my God. Guys, look on them your eyelashes here. Oh my. Me say, I can't even see right. Me have to hold up my head like so.
Because you messed up this one when you're just sitting. That not too good.
Guys. Guys, I would like you guys to like and subscribe and hit my post notification bell so you don't miss a post when I post. But this crazy video here, guys, that me do on Cyan. You know what, guys? Give me 10k likes for it. I know it's funny and it's entertaining, guys. So, guys, I don't know how it work out, but I think it work out just fine. What do you think, Cyan? You like my eyes?
No.
She said she don't like my eyes and she said me can't carry her go to school like that. But me I carry her go to school like this same way. I keep it on
No,
for the
sir.
rest of the week.
No, sir.
So anyway, guys, I would see you in the next video. Okay?